So, dito naman tayo sa LF, else example. Grade equal int, open parenthesis, input, open parenthesis, quote, enter your grade, colon, quote, close open parenthesis, close open parenthesis. The program asks the user to enter a grade. Input, open parenthesis, and close parenthesis takes what the user types as a string, and open parenthesis and close parenthesis convert it into a number, integer. So, dito sa F grade, F grade greater than or equal to 90 colon. If the grade is 90 or higher, the program prints excellent. If LF grade greater than equal to 75, if the first condition is not true, it checks this next one. If the grade is 75 or higher but less than 90, it prints pass. So sa else, if neither of the above conditions are true, meaning grade is below 75, so it failed. Like for example, our output. So maglagay tayo dito ng 95. So ang nakalagay is excellent. So kung maglagay tayo ulit ng 75, so ang nakalagay is pass. What if lagyan din natin ng 74? So failed na siya. So F checks the first condition. LF checks another condition if the first one isn't true. Else runs when all other conditions are false. So kagaya nga yun ng output natin. May excellent, pass, at failed.